Let's activate Google Assistant. Go to your Google app and make sure to sign into your Google app with your Google account. Now tap on the settings. Here, tap on Google Assistant. In here, go down. Tap on General. Here you will find Google Assistant. Make sure to enable Google Assistant from here. Turn on Google Assistant. Now, go back from here. Scroll up. And this time tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. And here enable Hey Google. And now we have to verify our voice here. So tap on More. I agree. And I agree. Now say, Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Now say, Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Now say, Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Now say, Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. That's how you have to verify your voice. And here we can see I've successfully activated Google Assistant. Now let's see how it works. All you have to need just to say, Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Here's a joke for Valentine's Day. How did the fire fall in love? It found its perfect match.
That's it. As you can see, now my Google Voice Assistant working perfectly.